Welcome to the shop. Turn on the light here. This is where we keep all the lawn care and pressure washing stuff. Over here we got all our trimmers, mowers, our pressure washers, extra burners. These are all 8 gallon a minute hot water machines, Hydromax. They're old and decrepit, but they work. Got some stuff on there to clean out. A little toolbox with knickknacks and all that great stuff. Tools, and they tend to get rusty quick with all the bleach. It's the truck. For some reason, we have a bush in here. Don't know why. Extra mulch, which we need to get rid of quick. Reclaim. Little work area. Normally we have a tractor right here taking up all this space, but it's working right now. But yeah, that's about it. So, and this trailer here will probably get set up pretty soon with a with another commercial setup for pressure washing. So we'll see. But that's about it. Office.